Today I am discuss about most important question for B.Ed exam. If you do B.Ed anywhere like Bihar, UP, Haryana, MP and any another state, then it is most important for exam point of view. Question is, what are the defect in the present examination system? जो प्रेजेंट में चल रहा है मतलब वर्तमान में एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम, इसमें क्या डिफेक्ट है, दोष है? ओके, आंसर, डिफेक्ट इन द प्रेजेंट एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम. फर्स्ट, स्टूडेंट डज नॉट स्टडी थ्रू द होल ईयर. ओके, ये क्या है? डिफेक्ट है. ओके, प्रेजेंट एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम का. फॉर द प्रेजेंट एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम द स्टूडेंट इज नॉट कंपेल्ड टू exert himself through the entire session but achieves competency for it by laboring only through the last few weeks before the examination. बच्चे क्या करते हैं, जब एग्ज़ाम का टाइम होता है उससे एक सप्ताह पहले या लास्ट वीक जो है उसमें पढ़ाई करते हैं और मेहनत करके नंबर जो है पास कर लेते हैं. और बच्चे जनरली कॉम्पिटिसी मतलब कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम का तैयारी करते हैं. ओके, जो कोर्स का बुकिश नॉलेज होना चाहिए, जो बुक का नॉलेज होना चाहिए वो नहीं, मतलब पूरे साल मेहनत नहीं करते बच्चे डिग्री के लिए. ओके, ये क्या है? डिफेक्ट है प्रेजेंट एग्जामिनेशन सिस्टम. इन दिस मैनर द स्टूडेंट डज नॉट attain any real ability or capacity even though he passes the examination. He forgets a lesson just as soon or as rapidly as he learned it. During the first 2 or 3 months of the session, there is a rare student who is seen at his desk. In this manner, from the educational viewpoint, a major portion of a student time is completely wasted. Okay. Second point, fear of examination. जो परीक्षा का है उसका डर. In the modern examination system, the examination is taken at the end of the session with the result that the student is fearfully conscious of the examination right through the session. Okay. Third point, success in examination a matter of luck. In the way examination are conducted at present, success is more a matter of luck than anything else. His entire future is to be decided in 2 or 3 hours, no matter what skill a student has. Okay, बच्चे जो है ये सोचने लगते हैं कि जो एग्ज़ाम पास करता है इसमें जो है लक बहुत बड़ा मायने रखता है. ये क्या है? डिफेक्ट है. ओके. फोर्थ पॉइंट, डिफेक्ट कंसर्निंग इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ आंसर बुक. Under the present system of examination, a student achievement in any subject is measured by the marks that he obtains during the examination. Fifth point, long examination period. The present examination system allows the period of examination to spread over a very considerable period of at least a month. It is often seen that a student gets some week between two individual examinations. That such a long period of inactivity has the worst effect upon the student attitude towards the examination, as it tends to lull him toward the seriousness of the matter. Next point is wrong objective. The present aim of examination is to obtain mark in order to get a degree, not the desire to gain a skill in any subject. Hence, the main attention in any examination is concentrated upon getting good marks so that one can have proof of one is ability or skill. Next point is defect of essay system. Under the existing scheme of examination, the student is required to answer each question in the form of an essay, with the result that the educational system has acquired all the defect inherent in the essay type examination. In this method, the student pay much greater attention to learning answer to questions than to understanding the subject and delving developing deep into it. In the examination hall, they do no more than reproduce these learned and remembered answer on the books. Okay, so thank you friends, hope you will learn something new. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.